Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila Day, and like I said, I was back with another video for today. But I'm going today and got some pretty exciting news. So my exciting news is that I finally got back into my Snapchat, which I manifested getting back into my Snapchat. I know I manifested it because this was very triggering for me. Like, the story behind it, oh Lord. Long story short, my specific person, family, kind of shut off my phone. Long story short, my phone number was attached to, my phone number at the time was attached to my Snapchat, and I could not get into my Snapchat, like, at all. Even though I was doing a social media detox, I was very frustrated because I wasn't able to get the verification code sent to my phone or whatever, so I wasn't able to get back into my Snapchat. I had emailed Snapchat, I had tried to ask, I tried to reach out to said family, I tried to reach out to a specific person, like, your girl was struggling. And I had my manifesting buddies help me try to manifest it. It really hurt. I was really triggered by not being able to get into my Snapchat. I was really frustrated. And it took a hit home. Like, it really took a hit home. And I had tried every little thing that I could possibly do. I even emailed Snapchat. There's the screenshot. Like, I emailed them several times. There's the screenshots. Emailed them several times. I couldn't get into it. Here and there, I would affirm. I'm happy that I'm so happy I got in my Snapchat. My friends would affirm for me that I'm back in my Snapchat. They even went as far as messaging. I have to do another video to insert because I put a lot of screenshots. So as you guys can see, just a side note, there was a lot of bullshit that I had to go through when it came to that fucking Snapchat account. As you can see from those screenshots, there was no fucking getting Snapchat to fucking help me get back into this account at all. So when somebody tells you manifestation is not fucking real, don't believe them, because manifestation is fucking real. On it, to acting as if I already am in it. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna let it go. And I forgot about it, let it go. I let the anger subside that I was feeling about it. And just forgot about it. The other day, I don't know what transpired. I don't know. Remember that whole video I did on inspired action? The camera link up here in one of these corners. The other day, I had inspired action with like Snapchat. I don't know why, but I did it. Now I know why I did it. But long story short, I was able to log into Snapchat. I got a verification code to the number, even though the number is not even on anymore. It's still not on. I somehow managed to get a code. I guess Snapchat changed their system or something like that, but I am now officially back into my Snapchat, and I totally manifested that. Can nobody tell me otherwise, because there was shit against me being able to get into this account. And this account meant a lot to me because I get so many views on it that I was like, what the fuck? And I was really like heartbroken that I couldn't get into my account. But you know what? I was heartbroken because I had like a lot of memories on there. Like I had a lot of memories on there. I had things that I had dear to my heart that I wanted to be able to get into, and I couldn't get into it. So any person in their right mind would be upset about it. And that was just one thing that I had to let go of because I was literally upset about it. I didn't necessarily let go of the faith of getting back into the account. I more so had to let go of the anger and resistance that I had about it. And Once you are able to let go of that anger and resistance, somehow the universe, your higher self, God, manifests it in a way that you can't even logically fathom. Like my brain is still processing how the fuck did this happen? Like I can't even fathom the how it happened. But it's not your job to know the how or the when it's supposed to happen. Your only job is to have faith that it's going to happen. And I had faith. I was angry. Yes, I was angry. But I had faith that I was going to get back into my account. I had faith that I wasn't going to lose it. And even if other people were telling me, oh, just let it go, just let your account go, blah, 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 all this extra stuff, I didn't care what they said. I had faith that I was getting back into my account and I was not making a new one. I was not creating a new one. I was not getting rid of it. I had faith that somehow, some way, I was still getting into my Snapchat. And sure enough, somehow, some way, I was able to get back into my Snapchat. And when it comes to the things that you desire and the things that you want, nothing and no one can stop you from getting your desires. They are your desires specifically. If you have a desire for your specific thing, if you have a desire for money, if you have a desire for this, no one can tell you what you can have and what you cannot have. That is your desire, and they're only projecting their diminishing beliefs onto you and telling you can't do it. But don't forget, in the process of doing this, that you also need to work on your belief system to get what you want. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.